Now I can go to the next step, which is the manage section. So here I have the possibility to manage the clients and add the new client, add a contact, and import and export the data for different projects for different clients. In the top, we have the other sections like the tasks and expense categories and rules, and we can manage them too. For example, we can specify the different billable amount for the different tasks here, like the design hourly rate. We can change them here, and the other tasks are editable too, like here you can see. I can click on edit and I will give whatever hourly rate I want. But this is the default hourly rate. It means that if I specify a different hourly rate for my teammate, that one will apply for whatever hours he's working on different tasks. So on the other sections like expense categories, I can even define new categories for expenses. And in the roles section, I can add the different roles to different teammates that I have for different projects. This is important to know that each teammate can have different roles and not only one. For example, I can give the role of manager to Kiran, for example, and now you can see that he have two different roles, and I can use these roles to filter the data on the project analysis and other information I can have access on. So if I go back to the project section again, here as I told you before, you can filter them by the project name and the client. For example, if I want to filter by the project code like 201, you can see that by clicking you can only jump to the project analysis. And if I go back to the project section again, here I have some possible actions to take on my project, as you can see. And by telling you this, I think I gave you some basic information how to start working on Harvest, how to make a project, start tracking your time on daily or weekly basis, add the expenses, and editing the team members information, and checking the different reports, and use the project analysis page to give some useful information you want, and make a new invoice and manage different aspects of the projects. So we are done with the Harvest, and in some other videos I'm going to give some basic information on forecast. You can use that one too and integrate it with Harvest, and you can analyze your project and see the progress and the health of project in a better way.